Did you know? Squirrel can remember thousands of hiding spots. They bury food in multiple locations and can recall exactly where they hid their nuts, even months later. Squirrel helps forests grow. Sometimes squirrel forget about their buried nuts, which then grow into new trees, making them accidental forest planters. They can recognize humans. If you regularly feed a squirrel, it may remember your face and even approach you for food in the future. Their front teeth never stop growing. Squirrel teeth continuously grow throughout their lives, so they must constantly gnaw on nuts, wood, and other hard objects to keep them from getting too long. Now you know.